Fix your high ping and low FPS problem. These are those problems that I myself used to face a lot. So let me fix that for you now. So let's see how we can make the FPS to the 20 FPS. Right now I'm getting 60 FPS, and even if I go to the in-game setting, there is a option and we can make it to 120 fps, but it won't be reflecting in our game as it will be taking the default setting of our device. What you need to do is first let's open the settings and then move over to the display settings, display and brightness. Every phone will be having these settings in the display option, and then go for the screen refresh rate and go for 120 Hz and just come back to the game. Boom guys, you'll see that you will be having 120 fps in the phone and you'll be able to play with it. Remember that you can't screen record while playing the game, it will drop. Now let's see how we can solve the ping issue in the Singapore server. You can see that my ping is 84 now, but it's not the case every time we play in Singapore server. Sometimes it goes up to 200 to 300 ping. At that time we need to use a trick. Just download this app from the Play Store known as WARF. It is an VPN. Just enable this button and it will be connected to the server, and when you open the game, your ping will be specially optimized for the Singapore servers. Just restart the game and you'll see that your ping is optimized. After enabling the VPN, it dropped down to 68 ping. Let me show it in the game now. Let me play some, maybe a diffuse game. And you can also use other VPNs for other servers. If you're playing in other server like Netherlands or France, you can use it. As you can see, my ping is like 84 in the game. And there are few other things that you need to keep in mind. Always use wired earphones, wireless earphones like earpods. It reduces your FPS. If you watch my videos on free gold trick, there is a chance that you also use a auto clicker to sell those skins. This app runs in the background and it affects the performance of the phone. Open setting and in about phone, tap 7 times on build up number. The developer option will be enabled to you. In developer option, there is an option called as running service. It shows all the background services running in your phone. Just scroll down and see whether the auto clicker is running in the background. As you can see, there is an auto clicker. Just have to tap and close this option and stop it from running in the background. One more setting is logo buffer setting. Make it to 64K. Another setting that you need to enable is 4x MSA. These are some hidden settings that you need to enable.